Imagine a world where owning an electric vehicle, EV, is a dream, but a home charger is a luxury not everyone can afford. This is the reality for many, and it's a story that needs to be told. Meet James, an EV enthusiast who took a bold step by purchasing a Polestar 2, a powerful and premium EV. But here's the catch. James doesn't have a home charger. So, he embarked on a journey to test the limits of public charging infrastructure. In a captivating TikTok video, James shares his experience, and it's an eye-opener. Over a year, he drove an impressive 8,956 miles, but at a cost of £1,194 and 56 cents for electricity from public chargers. That's roughly 13 pence per mile, which might not seem outrageous, but it's a different story when compared to home charging. The cost conundrum. According to ZapMap, the UK's leading EV charging platform, rapid DC charging can cost around 74 pence per kilowatt hour, while off-peak home charging is significantly cheaper at 29 to 35 pounds per kilowatt hour. This means those with home chargers can save big, cutting their charging costs by more than half. James's experience highlights a crucial point. Public charging, while convenient, can be financially inefficient if it's your sole option. Especially for luxury EVs like the Polestar 2, the cost gap can add up over time. A digital debate unfolds. James's post sparked a lively debate online with thousands of views and comments. Some argued that a hybrid vehicle with high fuel efficiency could offer similar mileage at half the price. One user calculated that a 70 mpg hybrid could travel the same distance for just £677, a figure backed by UK gasoline prices. Others brought up maintenance savings and EV-specific efficiencies. Electric vehicles have fewer moving parts, which means lower service costs over their lifetime. Recent research suggests EV maintenance costs are 40% lower than internal combustion engine vehicles, a significant advantage. But not everyone was convinced. Many commented on the reliability issues with public chargers, long wait times, and reduced range in cold weather. It's a common concern and one that aligns with recent UK studies. A substantial number of EV drivers have encountered broken or unavailable chargers, and cost inconsistency is a major pain point. The home charging divide. James's video reveals a growing divide among EV owners. Those with home chargers enjoy low cost, seamless charging and reduced range anxiety. But for renters or those in multi-unit housing, especially in urban areas, public charging is often the only option, and it comes with its own set of challenges. Multiple UK watchdogs have raised concerns about this infrastructure gap. A report from the Climate Change Committee warned that without significant investment in on-street and community chargers, many urban residents will be left behind in the EV transition. The government's Local Electric Vehicle Infrastructure Fund aims to address this, but the rollout has been uneven, and experts say it's not happening fast enough to meet 2030 EV adoption targets. Even EV advocates acknowledge the limitations of public charging as a primary method. DC fast charging can degrade battery health over time, and prices vary across networks, adding another layer of complexity. So, is £1,200 over 12 months for an EV like the Polestar 2 unreasonable? Let's compare. UK drivers spend, on average, around £1,051 per year to fuel a gas-powered car, and up to £1,435 for a typical family car, depending on mileage and fuel efficiency. For high-performance vehicles like the Mercedes-AMG C43, fuel costs can be even higher, with real-world fuel economy as low as 13 to 22 mpg. When we look at James's numbers, they fall below or near the average annual fuel cost for gas-powered vehicles. And when compared to high-performance gas guzzlers, the EV cost becomes more competitive. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it fair to compare EVs to gas-powered cars when the infrastructure and support systems are not yet equal? And this is the part most people miss. The true cost of EV ownership goes beyond just the fuel. It's about accessibility, reliability, and the overall experience. What do you think? Is public charging a viable option for EV owners? Or is it a temporary solution until home charging becomes more accessible? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.